In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an Apollo Pharmacy coupon code online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to Google. And now in the Google search box, type in Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes. Then click search. And then we're brought to Google search results. And now we've got a few different third-party sites we can get these coupon codes from. So we've got grabon.in. If we scroll down, we've got coupondunia.in, Coupon Guru. So we can check out any one of those sites, but one I like to use is called grabon.in. And now, once we're here, we'll scroll down, we can check out all the different offers they have. So we got a site-wide offer, 80% off plus free shipping on online medicines. We got flat 70% off your bookings. You got a flat 12% off your orders. So if you want to activate or show or see the coupon codes, what we need to do is simply click on the coupon code and now copy this code and paste this at the checkout section of Apollo Pharmacy to activate 12% off that order.